Well, hello. I know I'm late. I thought I'd show you a few things in here. This is my grow room. I dropped my light down, about 8 inches. I had a grower take a look at it, and he said that it would be better for my plants if I did, and he was right. Because look at here. We got pretty good in on our onions. Some of them are coming up, the baby ones. This one here, I've been cutting him back because he was getting too overgrown and his tomatoes were kind of hard. These ones are better. Yeah, they're better. But see all these little shoots? I took them off. I have 3 rooted and ready to be planted in here. The chives, I think I need to cut them back. But everything else I cut came back even healthier. All this is going to have to go because these tomatoes, they get so small that they're like cutting open apples. So I'm going to cut all this back, root it, make new plants, and let it come back on so it can have a better chance of getting ahead. I must have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 fans plus 2 little fans. So, you know, the climate control in here is really important. Now look at this. My radishes are coming up. Oh, I'm really excited about that. I'm probably going to have to thin that one. I really did think of moving this one. But I'm really excited. No carrots yet that I can tell. And I don't think that's a sugar baby watermelon. That's right in the middle. So that's going to be exciting. I have to clean this area. My cilantro I cut back, but I might need to reseed it. I'm not too sure. But all in all, the smell is just fantastic. And look at here. Middle onions, they're either going to make it. I keep taking more off of this to make stir fries with, so it's all doing rather well. It's a very, very, very large area if you look. Because that's it's like a 5 by 5 in here, inside. So, and then in the next room is always the darkest part of my house. But I lowered these lights too. And I actually put them on their bloom cycle. This light here, while I'm here, it burnt out. But that's that 100-watt bulb I tell you can start everything with. Full spectrum. It just burnt out after like 3 years. And see, the canna is responding. A little burnt in places. Look at how well the English ivy is doing. As well as the parsley. And the mint. I moved the aloe vera. Can you see him now? Oh, he's an elusive little thing. One of these days he'll pop out. He's really cute. And the monstera looks good too. He's doing really well there. I don't know if he's going to put on another leaf, but it's looking like it. And Mark did well too, but that was my dilemma. I've moved some plants again. Let me turn this fan off. I moved some plants again because he wasn't getting enough circulation. And these are funny. They'll end up with a lot of bacteria, like a fungus. Not too sure. But I'm waiting for him to get some more buds on him. But he's doing okay. Jalapenos are doing okay. Sorry, it's a balancing act. And then I moved this one to the floor, which was good. Those lights go all the way to the floor. He looks more green than ever. Because he should be shooting up his fire stick anytime. We have some of the peppers that shouldn't be here. I have to move. And of course, they came up over here too. Yeah. I have to figure out which ones they are. This one's my calla lily. It's coming up. I tried it last year, but for some reason it didn't flower, so it came back. But Kermit, not so much. I'm hoping he will. He had to go through a little winter of his own, and he's moist enough, but not sure about him. And then, I didn't know they were the hottest new plants out. I can imagine though. This one is a pink princess philodendron, and I can't claim any anything on this one because I just got it, so it hasn't shot out any new leaves or anything. And this one, I think they call it the black dragon. I love this, absolutely love it. But I think we're at an end here of getting me plants, because I can only take care of these, and it takes me 2 weeks to give them everything they need, and it's time to start again. So I really can't go any further of expanding. Oh, let's see, my Christmas cactus. No, this is Thanksgiving. This is my Christmas. He's just now coming to bloom. So these cyclamen never did. I still have hope for them. My potatoes doing fine. But, oh, is that, oh yeah. No, those are toothpicks. I get so excited. The little one's not doing much. I just put it on my plants when I change the water out. But this is my little area here. I did put in another light, but we did cut the other light. Well, I'll show you here in a minute. But all my other lights came down to 6 to 8 inches lower than they were before. And in here, I put the bloom cycle on instead of just the veg, and it seems to have made a great difference for these plants. So let's go see the other part. It's this light. I dropped it about, I raised it about 4 to 6 inches because I noticed everything here acted like it was getting too much light. So I had to move the Christmas cactus and the Thanksgiving cactus because they were turning red. And some things looked like they were reaching and stuff. So what I did was move the light up so it could have more of a ray factor for this. And I have my mother's fuscia. It's still doing well. And this little guy, boy, is he ever doing well. He's a big fellow there, huh? But here, I'm still waiting for him to root. This one did well. These ones do well. All these are in the same family. Yeah, I always forget the name too. But they're in the same family, and they do root, just like this did. This is one of these plants. So, another cyclamen that didn't come back. That cyclamen didn't come back either. Oh, but look. Jalapeno. I'm very happy about that. I got a couple more to put in here that are up back there. And here, it's hard to see without the light. These are the tomato. I can't pull it all the way out, but can you see all those roots? That's from my tomato plant. That's 3 more plants I'm going to put out. If I can put them back in. There you have it. And my little palm is struggling to come back. But it's making it. And the mama. This is the mama of this one. It's sending up a little trundle of its own. This is exciting. So, this one's sending out a new one too. It must be a spring thing. And then we have the Stella plant, and of course she's very happy. I'm going to drop her to the floor here soon. She's tall enough to handle it on her own. And of course Herbert. Herbert is always happy. Very happy in his new home. So that's about all I had for you, other than the fact that I realized that I'm not going to be able to make it much bigger than the salad garden I'm putting in. So I'll see you when we do that. you have yourself a lovely day, and I will as well. I'll speak to you later. Bye.